Current affairs, today's headlines, August 31, 2022. India. Supreme Court closes contempt proceedings, arising out of the demolition of Babri Masjid at Ayodhya in 1992, against the state of Uttar Pradesh and others. MOS Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh visits ASEAN Secretariat in Jakarta, Indonesia. Economist and former Planning Commission member Abhijit Sen passes away at 72. Economy and Corporate. Economic Advisory Council to Prime Minister releases Competitiveness Roadmap for email protected. Public sector contributes 20% to national income, 40% of total wages. India Ratings and Research. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal chairs Progress Review of Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC. MO signed between PCIM and H. Pharmacopoeia Commission for Indian Medicine and Homeopathy, and IPC, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, for inter-ministerial cooperation for promotion and facilitation of One Herb, One Standard. NHPC inks MO with PTC India Limited for sale of power, to be generated from upcoming West Seti and Seti River 6 projects in Nepal. World. Angola. Ruling MPLA, Movement for the Liberation of Angola, wins election. President João Lourenço gets second term. Solomon Islands bans U.S. Navy's